In this video, we will see how to set up an extrusion simulation with choke bearing model. So here I have one representative model which has some choked angles in it. So the setup procedure is pretty similar as you are doing for the rest of the extrusion simulations. So let's start with the orienting it first, then extracting the flow volume. Once you extract the flow volume, so here you can see we have certain choked angles over here. Okay, so let's look at one of the choked angle. How much is the angle? So here you can see it has 3-degree choked angle. So similarly, I have like 4-degree choked angle as well. Okay, now yeah, now let's extract the bearing. So select the surface. Now here you can see it has extracted the bearing and the bearing curve, and it has extracted along with those choked angles. So here you just need to make sure that your cross section of the profile is same as your requirement. Okay, then the next step is about organizing. So let's start with the organizing of this model, like portholes, weld chamber, and pocket one. We will use these dimensions. Just say OK. So here we have organized it. Now just quickly create a billet as well. Let's try with 150 mm. That's okay. Okay. So the setup procedure wise, it is pretty similar as you are doing for some other models. The only difference is using of the bearing reference surfaces, that is this PRS option. So to use that, you just need to activate, let's say, die and the mantle, and we'll go with the bearing reference surface. Generally, the software will automatically detect the reference surfaces, means the bearing region, it will automatically detect. So let's try with hiding this. Yeah. So here you can see it will automatically detect, but here you can see this surface is not detected properly. So what we can do is you can just deselect everything first, and let's select only this portions. Okay, so this will be my bearing reference surface for the mandrel. Same I will do it for the tie as well. Just check it for the tie. Yeah, so for the die it has detected properly. Here you can see this is the reference surface, this is your choke bearings, and this is the straight cross section of your profile. So this way you can just quickly check it. Use the bearing reference surfaces, and once you select that, you're good to go. So you have selected the bearing reference surfaces and all the setup is also completed. Now you can just go to the analysis, use this option of use bearing reference surfaces. You can give how much is the maximum choke angle that you have given, or maybe you want to predict, let's say 5, and then you can run this analysis. Once you run the analysis, so here you can see it will detect the choked angle, and it will give you as a result type over here as a choke angle. So here uh, let's take a one section view. So here for this you can see the yellow color, that means it is in around like 3 degree. Okay, and the rest of the choke angle, so here I have given like 4 degree, so that also you can see it over here. Let's try by changing it to, let's say, 3 degree. Yeah, so these are the these are the choke angle with 3 degree, and this is the choke angle with 4 degree, that you can see it over here. If I just switch on this, yeah. So here you can see it has detected that choked angle properly. So this way you can quickly check for the choke angle results, and I hope it is clear, like how to set up a model, how to set up an extrusion simulation with choke bearings using this PRS option. Thank you.